And
Yeah. They are
But
very
then-
good swimmers.
they're very good swimmers. Huh?
Yeah.
Because Antigua is so not happy the way they are. Because they stay also where they cannot
Yeah.
on foot. Yes, they swim really.
Take videos, pictures, guys. This is special.
Yeah. Maybe he's changing man, he's going down even as well. He was down or he has always been up.
He was down. Look at his body. He looks wet. He was down. He's getting jealous because the other friends are swimming.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
he's going.
Maybe he might come and join. But the other boys are enjoying themselves.
Questa
Beautiful.
carini questi che giocano.
It's a play fight. This is